Marena Industries rebuilds large, medium, and small surface grinders engine lathes. The job that you see here is part of an 84-inch VTL which was disassembled at the customer's location and transported to our facility. In this case, we've ground, scraped, and laser aligned this piece. The particular piece you're looking at had 6 surfaces ground. This next piece here had 8 surfaces ground. And the last piece for this job is still waiting to be worked on. The final step of this will be to transport the pieces back to the customer for reassembly. Please call us if you have any service or rebuilding needs that we can do either at your facility or in our own facility.